Hello everyone, Victoria here from HyperSKU. Today we're diving into the dynamic realms of social commerce, exploring 5 trends that will be reshaping the landscape of 2024. Our insights are backed by thorough market research, so let's just jump right in. Here are the 5 trends that we'll be discovering today, and let's dive right into the trend number 1, social media search optimization. While marketers have traditionally excelled at web optimization, the landscape is evolving towards a social media revolution. As you can see, a notable shift occurred in 2023 as 40% of Gen Z favored TikTok and Instagram over Google for their search needs. This trend suggests a gradual transformation where social media is becoming the primary search engine for mobile users. Currently, millennials and younger generations are increasingly turning their favorites social platforms for research, solutions, and product recommendations besides Google. A significant indicator of this shift was the partnership between Google and TikTok earlier this year. This collaboration underscores the increasing importance for digital marketers to focus on elements like keywords and metadata within their social media post. This implication is clear. SEO strategy are no longer confined to website optimization. You must extend your focus to social media where concise phrases are gaining precedence over hashtags. So, moving forward, integrating more keywords and content into social media posts is poised to be a key strategy for enhancing post rankings. This evolution emphasized the need for marketers to adapt and refine their approach to stay at the forefront of this emerging trend. Trend number 2, TikTok's dominance among Gen Z. So in 2024, TikTok is set to surge as a leading social media platform, especially among Gen Z, with 78% of them engaging daily and spending an average of 1 hour and 19 minutes on the app in 2023. Notably, almost 45% of TikTok's user belongs to Gen Z, surpassing other platforms like Snapchat, and given Gen Z's rapid growth in the consumer landscape, 55% of marketers are planning to increase their spending on TikTok in 2024. Good news, HyperSKU has anticipated this trend and is actively supporting TikTok sellers throughout our comprehensive supply chain system. So make sure to stay tuned for our upcoming TikTok Shop solutions and TikTok trend reports. Next, we'll be looking at the trend number 3, AI and the Metaverse merge. So in the spotlight of 2024, the Metaverse takes center stage and a symbolic dance with artificial intelligence that will set the rhythm. As you can see, Meta at the forefront unveils Meta AI, which is a beta chatbot for WhatsApp, Messenger, and Instagram, alongside with 28 groundbreaking AI betas. But AI waves doesn't stop here. So in October 2023, Meta has introduced an in-app generative AI tools for marketers, empowering them to expand images, craft backgrounds, and rewrite and text. Generating 6 new versions, the ripple effects is felt across social platforms, with AI featured becoming a new norm. Next, we'll be talking about YouTube's. So for YouTube, stepping into the AI arena is gearing up to a new AI tools called the Dream Screen in 2024, a tool designed to craft backgrounds for both video and static image on YouTube Shorts. As ChatGPT, OpenAI's AI gem born in late 2022, continues to ride a wave of unprecedented popularity, surpassing 100 million weekly active users. The fusion of AI with creativity showcased at Meta connects open a realm of possibilities in marketing strategy. The journey has just begun, and the destination promises to be as fascinating as the ride. At trend number 4, shifting to nano-influencers. So in the world of influencers marketing, authenticity is a game changer. When an impartial voice endorses a product, it not only elevates brand awareness, but also cultivates trust and credibility among the audiences, ultimately boosting revenue. As we can see here, the new player on the screen must be TikTok. A substantial 56% of influencers now prefer TikTok over Instagram's 51%. This is a notable shift. Moreover, the era of celebrity influencers seems to be waning. The focus is shifting more towards the smaller influencers, those between 1,000 to 10,000 followers. So in 2022, actually 30% of the marketers found success with micro influencers, and 38 favored macro influencers. Enter the term nano-influencers, and searches for them actually have surged by 500% in the past 5 years. Despite their relatively modest followers account, they boast remarkably engaged audiences with an engagement rate of about 4%, the highest among all influencers level. Affordability is another appealing aspect. The average rate for a TikTok post from a nano-influencers is about $5 to $25, so that they're both budget-friendly and impactful. These influencers are proving to be a strategic choice. In summary, the influencers landscape is undergoing a significant transformation. Smaller influencers, particularly nano-influencers, are emerging as powerful allies for brands seeking authenticity and meaningful connection with their audiences. Next, we'll be looking at trend number 5, social media for customer support. So social media platforms in 2024 evolve into pivotal tools for customer support. A review shows that 90% of consumers consider an immediate response from customer service crucial or very important, and 60% expect instant responses within 10 minutes or faster. The growing demand for swift and personalized attention is compelling many brands to provide customer service through social media channels. This is a trend not going to unnoticed by customers. As you can see, according to Sprout Social Index, 51% of consumer believes that the most memorable brands on social media are those that respond promptly to their customers. Additionally, a survey by Hootsuite indicates a significant increase in the use of AI chatbot by social media marketers, with 318% rise from 2023 to 2024. These advanced chatbots leverage conversational AI to address posts, direct messages, or chats across various social platforms. For instance, an Instagram food influencer successfully managed thousands of comments and distributed recipes using a chatbot. The chatbot employed a blend of predetermined comments to provide a more human-like and less robotic response. Furthermore, Hootsuite report that 46% of social marketers are planning to integrate AI chatbots for their message responses in 2024. If you found this video helpful, do give it a subscribe and hit the like button to show your support. So we'll be bringing you more in-depth insights on 2024 trends, including upcoming fashion trends forecast, Shopify edition for 2024 winter, and a closer look at how HyperSKU is set to elevate support for influencers and online sellers in the realm of social commerce. The digital world keeps changing. Adapting your strategy is not just important, it is the key to impressing your audience in today's fast-paced digital age. Stay informed, stay ahead, and see you until next time. Bye now.